Sobrang cute, multifunctional, and non-stick na rin itong electric cooking pot from Dripor. Color pa lang, very unique na, and 2 liters capacity na rin to, and marami kang pwedeng mailuto since pwede tong gamitin for boiling, frying, and stewing. With 2-gear firepower, so maa-adjust mo yung heat, plus multiple layers na rin yung pot body niya, which is thicker, more durable, mabilis uminit, anti-scalding, and lightweight. Ergonomic na rin yung long handle design nito, and may glass na rin yung top cover, so kita mo agad yung status ng niluluto mo. Very safe and healthy gamitin since non-toxic yung materials na ginamit, and dahil non-stick na rin to, less hassle na when frying, and mas madali lang din linisin. May porous cooling base din to na very safe and durable, plus removable din yung power cord, kaya more convenient na rin yung storage and paglilinis nito. Na-try na namin to sa inga ng rice, and maganda at pantay yung pagkakaluto. Ang convenient din pagprituhan dahil hindi talaga tumidikit, and pagdating naman sa mga stew, sobrang okay din. Sakto lang yung size niya and very satisfying, nakita agad sa glass cover yung niluluto. Talagang ang daming pwedeng mapagamitan nito, kaya i-check out mo na rin.